Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you top Android best application for the month of April. Yes, these are all the application that you're gonna see in this video, and as always downloading links for all the application will be present in the YouTube show notes, so don't forget to check those out. And yes, if this is your first time, if you're visiting this channel, so definitely don't forget to subscribe my channel, because like this one I make videos on every week. So with that being said, give this video a like and let's start the video. So the first application on the list is Glasswords. As you can see, this is the icon itself. So opening up the application, you get a very much graphical interface of what amount of data has been consumed and which application has been consuming the data most. So these are all the application which use my data. As you can see, YouTube has used 120 of data, and through tethering and hotspot I have used 69.2 megabits of data, and also the other applications also has consumed the data. Now the special about this application is you can choose the time frame. So currently this is showing the 3 hours back statistics. Now if I can click in this drop down menu, it will give me the option to, I can choose from 90 days, I can choose past 30 days, I can choose 7 days. So there are different time limits to choose from. And also if you want to see the how much data has been consumed through mobile and Wi-Fi, so it will be the default option. And if you want to see how much data has been consumed only through mobile, so that option is there, and also the same goes for Wi-Fi. Now what makes this application very much special, now if you can click on this slider option, you get a usage section. So properly within this usage section, you get a detailed data of what application has used how much data and what application has consumed how much of your data. So if you want to keep track of the data consuming by the different application, if you want to keep track of the application that are consuming the most of your data, then you can definitely have a look into this application. This application is completely free. The link for downloading this application will be given in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this out. So the next application on the list is Meteor. As you can see, this is the application itself. So this is essentially a speed test application. Now you probably might be asking why the speed test application is in the top best Android application. Now this is not your average speed test application. Now what makes this application special is if you can click on this start testing, it will not only give you your upload and download speeds, along with that it will give you the significant app performances, real-time app performance. So as you can see right now, this is currently testing the download speed, and after that probably it will test the upload speed, and already the ping is good. As you can see, it's showing its upload speed is good and download speed is also okay. So as the test finished, it will see the real-time app performances. So as you can see, the test is complete. Now you can see there are different applications. So depending on the speed test result, these are the application, and the performance of the application will be good. As you can see, the YouTube will be performing good, and the Facebook will be performing good, and other applications also. It gives the idea depending on the network speed how the application will be performed, and will there be any network lag on the application itself. So this is the thing that makes this application special. And also if you can go up, there are different categories, there are different tabs. As you can see, this is speed test tab. If you can go to the dashboard tab, you can see from where your device is being accessed. You can see that, and you can have a look into the history. So as you can see, I have now did this speed test couple of times. So this is a very neat and beautiful application. The link for downloading this application will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this out. So the next application on the list is Calculator. So as you can see, this is the application itself. So you might be thinking why I am reviewing a calculator application on this list. So if you're thinking this to be with your average calculator application, you're wrong. So as you can see, the interface is quite similar with the average calculator, and it will give you the mathematic results. So as you can see, I'm gonna do 2 cross 2 and hit equal, so it will definitely give me the answer of 2 cross 2. But what makes this application special, this, can you imagine this to be your secret vault kind of a thing? So this is basically a gateway to a secret portal kind of a thing, as you can say. So just you have to you have to type in your secret password, and now I'm gonna type my secret password, that is 1234, and let's just see what happens after I type in my password 1234. So as you can see, after you type your secret password, this will give you an access to a secret vault, as you can see. And if you, this is very much useful for you if you want to keep some of your files hidden from the others, or if you don't want others to see some of your application files or pictures or video. This is a very useful application for you. Then you can add different pictures by tapping on this plus symbol to add any of the files, like it will give you an option to capture the images from the camera, and if you have also existing pictures, you can add through the second option, there is photos and albums, and you can directly record video from here itself. So different options would be provided. And if you want to go back, as you can see, there are different categories. Now going into the different categories will also give you the same option. You can add some of your folders, files or videos through this plus symbol. So this is a very good application, I think. So if you want to download this application is there available on the Google Play Store, and this application is completely free. So downloading link for this application will be there in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this one out. So the next application on the list is AutoHash. As you can see, this is the application itself. So if you are a frequent Instagram user, this application might be useful for you. So this application does what the name suggests. So basically this application will help you to find automatically auto hashtags if you upload a picture. So as you can see at the bottom of the application, you get different options. So essentially you have to click on this upload option, and you gotta select some of the pictures. Let me see one picture of mine. Let me find, can I find the picture? So let me find one of the pictures. So this one would be fine, I guess. So as you can see, I have uploaded an image, and automatically it has given me the hashtags for the photos. So this application might be useful for you if you're regularly uploading pictures to your Instagram profile. So the good thing about this application is it will definitely recognize the uploaded picture itself, and automatically it will generate some of the hashtags for you. But sometimes it is always not perfect, but sometimes it may be useful for you. So the good thing about this application is after the auto tags are generated, you get an option for this copy kind of a thing. You just copy this. As you can see, hashtags are copied to the clipboard. Now whenever you're uploading a video to the Instagram, you can just copy those hashtags and paste those hashtags to the Instagram page directly. So this is a very nice and useful application for those Instagram lovers. So downloading link for this application will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this out. Alright, so if you love those life hack quotes or life hack videos, then this application is definitely for you. So the name of the application is Lifehack itself. So opening up the application, you get different categories. As you can see, technology, food and drinks, health and fitness, solution, money saver, life tips, party, and so on. And the best thing about this application is going into a different categories, you see different quotes. A bunch of quotes would be there for you to choose, and trust me guys, really these quotes sometimes works. And the best thing about this application is if you like copy one of those text, you can just do that by pressing this icon, and also you can share some of the quotes from the application itself. So as you can see here, so the best thing about this application is there are different categories to choose from. As you can see, it is the technology category. Now if I go to this party, so there would be again bunch of life hack quotes would be there. So this is a great application for all those life hack lovers. So the link for downloading this application will be in the YouTube show notes, and this application is free, present on the Google Play Store, so definitely don't forget to check this application out. So the last application on the list is Pixel Navbar. So as the name suggests, this is quite a relatively simple application. So opening this application up, you get to turn on this application, activate Pixel navigation bar, and as you turn on this navigation bar, as you can see at the bottom of this the navigation bars are changed. And if you are not having a Pixel device, or if you don't have money to buy a Pixel device as of now, so as of now, if you love those Pixel navigation bar, personally, which I do very much, so I use this application. So the best thing about this application is also it gives you much more flexibility. Like as you can see, it gives you the control to change the size of the navigation bar. As you can see, I can change different size of the navigation bar. If I can click on this circle, it would allow me to change the size of this navigation bar. So this application is very nice application if you want to customize your navigation bar and want to have a Pixel kind of a look in your smartphone. If you're not using a Pixel device, then this application is definitely for you. This is a small application itself, and the downloading link for this application will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this out. So that's wraps it up for this video. So these are all the applications that you saw in this video, and as I said earlier, all the downloading links for download this application will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check the video description for downloading all this application directly from the Google Play Store. And if you like what you saw, consider liking this video, and also if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because like this one, I make videos on every week. So that's it for this video. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.